Let's see the next tab. What do we find it here? Student fee. Let's have a look what's inside. So once we open it, we are presented with a view of all the fee that we are receiving, all the record, how much we have received, how much is pending, and there are some filter options by the you can filter by the month, by the teacher, by the parent, by the status, whether it's a pending fee, partially paid fee, fully paid, zero paid amount. So there are multiple status as well. The status is this one. As you can see, this one is fully paid. So if we are going to see how many fee are fully paid. Okay, so there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students that paid fully complete fee. How many students have paid partially? So we have not anyone in this state status. And let's see the pending one. I think we are going to get a list. Yes, it's a long list of pending fee. So let's see what we can do from here. We can do like I have opened it. I just received a fee of a student and I am going to pay the fee. It's 10,000 fee and remaining is 10,000. Let's go. Okay, so this is the PKR in the currency. You can see the currency here. If it's coming from a foreign currency and you have registered that currency in the student's record, you are going to see that currency here. Okay. Okay, now we are going to pay the full fee and it's confirmed. And yeah, you have fully paid status. If you want to see the fee slip, you can open the fee slip, you can download it, and you can send it to the parent or you can print it as well. So this is how you do the student fee, the fee list. And from here, let's see the defaulters. The defaulters, like pending fee, you can check from that status when you were on the previous page, or you can come here, or even on your home board or dashboard, you have the defaulters list. See that? You can check the defaulters of October as well. See, there are two defaulters. You can send the reminders directly from here. So this is how the fee tab works.